Hey you! Hand bought more apples than she should this week, so we thought we could make something good with it. An upside down apple cake, so beautiful! Come on, we are going to teach you how to make it. Gluten-free upside down apple cake. First, let's prepare the apples. Get 50 grams of butter and break it in small pieces. Place them in a cake pan. Also, add 2 sliced apples. Make it pretty, just like hand prepared here. Next, add 1 tablespoon of cinnamon and finish with 1 tablespoon of honey. Reserve it for later. Now it's cake time. Mix together ½ cup of almond flour, 2 tablespoons of coconut flour, 1 tablespoon of psyllium, 1 tablespoon of cinnamon, a pinch of salt, ½ teaspoon of baking soda. Using your stand mixer, add 75 grams of butter and beat it until the butter gets fluffy. Then add 2 eggs, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, 1 cup of yogurt. Stop your stand mixer and using a spatula, fold it into the dry mixture. Pour the butter on the apples. Bake it for 35 minutes in a preheated oven to 160 C. Wait a few minutes before removing it from the cake pan. Whoa! This cake looks good and is beautiful. Can't wait to grab my slice. Bye bye.